This is the brand new guanabana seed in Grow a Garden, which can make you trillions. Yes, you heard me right. Trillions.
I like money.
And don't worry about not obtaining it because it is pretty easy to get. And can only be obtained through crafting, which makes it a lot easier than having to rely on your bad RNG.
Bruh.
So here is how to craft it. Firstly, you need all of these seeds and fruits which can be bought in the seed stock and aren't that hard to get. Then you need summer coins, which you can get by donating summer fruits to this lady. And if you want to get more points, I suggest you do the tomato method. And that's pretty much all you need to do to obtain the guanabana seed. Now let's get to the fun part, the prices. The average price of a guanabana in its base form with no mutations sells around 110,000 to 135,000 shekels, which is crazy, and is worth more than the candy blossom. And I haven't even used any sprinklers yet, which means the price can still get a lot better and can easily make trillions of shekels easily. And that is basically everything important that you need to know about the new guanabana seed. So hurry up and craft it before you miss it like the candy blossom seed.